Hey there, and welcome back to the channel where we break down AI and tech trends to help you stay ahead of the curve. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's massive AI ecosystem, boasting a jaw-dropping 1,800 models, and how it stacks up against OpenAI. Plus, we'll explore examples and real-world use cases for both. Let's jump in. Microsoft's AI ecosystem is built on Azure, with 1,800 specialized AI models. These models span multiple industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and manufacturing. The key? Customization. Microsoft offers models tailored to specific tasks, industries, and enterprise needs. Healthcare AI models for patient triage and diagnostics, integrated with electronic health records. Retail personalized shopping recommendations and inventory management. Finance fraud detection and real-time financial forecasting. Now let's talk about OpenAI. Unlike Microsoft, OpenAI focuses on building general-purpose models like GPT, which powers chatbots, content creation, and coding assistants. These models are flexible and adaptable across a wide range of tasks, but aren't always tailored to specific industries. ChatGPT. Assisting businesses with customer service. DALL-E. Generating creative designs and marketing visuals. Codex, streamlining software development with AI-powered code suggestions. So what sets Microsoft apart from OpenAI? It boils down to three things: scale, specialization, and integration. Scale: Microsoft's 1,800 models cover niche tasks, while OpenAI focuses on fewer, highly versatile models. Specialization: Microsoft's models are industry-specific. OpenAI's are general-purpose. Integration: Microsoft seamlessly integrates AI with enterprise tools like Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Azure services. Let's compare real-world use cases. Microsoft example: a supply chain company uses Azure AI models to predict delays, optimize routes, and reduce costs. OpenAI example: a startup leverages GPT-4 to generate marketing copy, automate customer emails, and brainstorm product ideas. While Microsoft excels in enterprise and industry-specific tasks, OpenAI's strength lies in creativity and flexibility. If you're an enterprise needing highly tailored AI solutions, Microsoft's ecosystem is your go-to. But if you're a creator, developer, or small business looking for versatile tools, OpenAI has you covered. Check one, check. That's a wrap on today's video. Whether you're Team Microsoft or Team OpenAI, the possibilities are endless. Let us know in the comments which AI ecosystem you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.